Hello everyone. So in the previous video we saw how to make the distance measuring device using Arduino and LCD display. So today we will make smart dustbin. So what will be the functionalities? So whenever any object or anything come in front of dustbin, then dustbin lid should automatically open. So is it possible to detect an object in front of our device? Answer is yes, using ultrasonic distance measuring sensor or PIR sensor. So I would prefer the ultrasonic distance measuring sensor because it provides higher level of precision and control. And for opening the lid, I need to provide some sort of motion, correct? And I will get this motion from our servo motor. Okay, so now let's start the connection. So first of all, I will go for our simple power setup. Yeah, and then I need one ultrasonic distance measuring sensor. Here it is. So let's connect it here. And I need one servo motor. So I need servo. Yes, here it is. And I need one LED also. So let's take an LED. No, I don't want this code. I need LED. So here is my LED, normal LED. So let's start doing the connections. So as usual, let's do first the sensor connection. So VCC will always go to 5 volt. Let's connect trigger to, let's say, pin number 11. Okay. So again, about the color quotation, last time I told you, try to follow it. Another one, echo. Echo will go to the pin number 10. Let's give it some other color. Let's say yellow. And after that, ground will go to the ground. Okay, that's it. Our sensor connection is done. Now let's do our actuators connection. Yes, you heard me right. There is more than one actuator. LED is also an actuator, as well as my servo motor is an actuator. And second pin is power. So here it goes. And power, let's make it red. And after that, third pin is signal. So let's take not signal like this. I will connect let signal to pin number 9. Okay. Let's give it some different color, maybe blue. Okay, now let's connect our LED. So LED anode will go to the some signal. I am selecting here, mm, let's say pin number 5, and cathode, it will go to ground, but not directly to the ground. It will go to the ground via resistor, if you remember. So here is my resistor, and let's make it 220 ohm. not kilo, only 221. Okay, so our connection is done. That's it. Let's change this to something else color. Let's say pink, and let's copy paste the code. So code is pretty simple. You know the code for servo motor, you know the code for ultrasonic distance measuring sensor, you know all the codes. So I don't think this code you will find difficult in any aspect. So let's one time cross check the pins. 10 to the trigger and 10 to the trigger. Sorry, here trigger is 11. So it doesn't matter, correct? That is the beauty of writing good code. I can simply change here and everything will be good to go. Echo to the 10 and LED is to the 5, not 12. So let's make it 5 and let's servo is on 9. So servo is on 9. Okay, great. Now let's test it. Okay, so currently it is 143 centimeter, correct? When I come near, very near, so it should be less than 27. Then my lid will open. So once object move away, again lid will close. See, again if anything comes near, like this, lid will open. So you just need to connect this servo motor to the lid of your dustbin, and this sensor connection to the in front of your dustbin. So I hope you understood this project and understood the concept overall. So how to work with sensors and actuators, and reason of this all these videos, previous 3 4 videos, was to teach you how to work with sensors and actuators together, because it is not necessary in future you will use these sensors or this actuator only, but concept will always remain same. According to the requirement, you need to choose the sensors, you need to choose the actuators, and you need to connect them in a system, and you need to program them to achieve your results. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and from the next video we will start with networking. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.